Looking for the ultimate travel backpack for all of your gear? This one right here has a lot of awesome features, and let's go through them all. Starting at the bottom here, you actually have a spot for your shoes, which is awesome. So if you're traveling light on a plane or something like that, but you have some dress shoes you want to pack, you can pop them in down here. This is a huge section. On the sides, you have zip-up pockets for your water bottles, so you can zip them down to kind of give them more space if you have bigger bottles with this mesh elastic right here. The other side, there's a handle, so if you want to hold it this way, you can use it like a briefcase and hold it that way. And I love that. That's a really great feature. So you have a USB connector for charging outside of your bag, so you can plug in your cables right there and charge your devices. And I'll show you how that works on the inside. The straps also have a connector in between, so you can make sure they don't fall off your shoulders if you're like walking. On the back, you have a strap for like your suitcase handle, and you have another like secret compartment back here. This is great for for me, like documents like passports or your wallet and things like that that you don't want people to have access to. They wouldn't be able to get there. It's also like a very breathable material on the back, so it keeps you from heating, over sweating, and also breathable material on the straps. And then there's the back part right here. You can unzip, and this is great for your laptop, big ones too, and even some monitors and like a spot for like a smaller tablet, and even some more stuff right there. So then we have the main pouch here, so you can have easy access to your gear right from there. And here is where you plug in that USB port, so you'd have to plug into your own power bank that's in there. You also have an elastic buckle, so you can put anything like more clothes and stuff down, and that holds it down and compresses that down even more so. There's also little Velcro pockets here, a small one there, and then a larger one on this side. We actually have an extender for the backpack, so if you have like lots of stuff in there, you can actually extend it out and make it even bigger, kind of like more like an accordion style. So look at this. It goes all the way from what it was to now a lot wider, giving you a lot more room. So yeah, if you had clothes in there, again, and your shoes and a bunch of other gear, you can open it up that big, and you can even kind of zip it down if you want to compress it. So this one backpack now all of a sudden becomes like a really good carry-on bag. And then we'll take it to the next one, just a bigger, deeper pocket and a couple of other little pockets for accessories or cords and pins. And then we have the front pocket where you can just put some other accessories on the front. So that is a lot of storage space in this one bag. It is crazy how much you could fit in this thing. So if you're going on that weekend trip and you need a good bag for the airline so you don't have to check one, or maybe you're just hiking and just looking for a bag with a bunch of extra space, this one works. This thing is great and fits a lot in it, but also it's quality made. I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.